mapipilitan kami gamitin yung aming powers to cite them in contempt.
Nagbabanta si Ombudsman Samuel Martires ng contempt laban sa mga congressman matapos igiit na hindi sila ang complainant laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte.
It appears that Ombudsman acted upon the recommendation of the committee. What I know is that the House or the committee itself did not file any complaint, but it appears that the Ombudsman acted upon the recommendation of the committee.
Para binigyan kami ng kopya ng report of investigation. Para para basahin lang namin. Ngayon, kung ayaw nila magbigay, mag-cooperate sa amin, we might be forced. Mapipilitan kami gamitin yung aming powers to cite them in contempt. Hindi ho kami nagbibiro. Trabaho ho ito na binigay sa amin ng taong bayan. Trabaho ito na binigay sa amin ng konstitusyon.
Sino po ang isa
Ano,
sa
bibigyan mo kami ng sulat?
Opo.
Bibigyan mo kami ng sulat? Nireklamo mo isang barangay captain? Ano, babasahin lang namin?
Linawin ko lang.
Sino daw po isa-cite niyo in contempt?
Abadi kung sino ho yung ayaw kasi this is a committee report represented by Representative Joel Chua.
Opo.
So we will ask Joel Chua once the Vice President or any of the respondents there will file their counter affidavit. We will ask the committee kung gusto nila mag-file ng reply. Kung hindi, it will be submitted now for resolution by the Office of the Ombudsman. Ngayon, kung ayaw nila mag-file ng reply, we will consider them deemed waived.
Oo. Wave
Ngayon,
na
pag
yun.
sinabi nila, ay hindi naman kayo nag-file sa inyo, if they insist on doing that, ay siguro naman, hindi ho ako I am not threatening them, siguro naman hindi na siguro magandang relasyon ito between the House of Representatives and the Office of the Ombudsman na ayaw namin mayari. I think they should cooperate with us because they were the ones na, kumbaga kinalabit kami, kiniliti kami.